Welcome! This is Jordan with Explorer Systems. Today we're going to take a look at managing development contacts in Versai. There are two main contacts areas in Versai's Development tab. These features use patron records to let you enter contact records, search for and view contacts, plan feature contacts with reminders, and run a contacts report. Let's take a look. Go to the Development tab. On the donor dashboard, you can find a Contact tab here that gives you access to contact information from a patron's record. Let's look at it. From this area, you can add a new contact record, edit a record, delete a record, or add and edit prospect notes. You can search on the right side or filter results below. Press the next button over labeled Contacts, which gives you access to all contact information and options. Press Setup to make sure it is configured how you want. You can set up reminders by determining the number of days in advance you want to be reminded and which users see reminders. For example, I might want to be reminded at the beginning of the week about a call, so I will set it to 7 days. You can either choose reminders for the user who created the contact or all users with access to the contacts area. The regarding setup allows you to input topics that you can choose as labels for your contacts and use to filter your records later. Click New, enter a code and description, and click OK. Then you can choose this from a drop-down later. Let's make some contacts. Click New. First set the date and pick a patron with the Patron Finder. Use the drop-down lists and fill in any appropriate information for the contact, like this. You can choose Solicitor, Drive, Regarding, and a campaign. Then fill in a summary and your notes. You can check the patron info, save, or cancel your contact at the bottom. Then select either Open if the contact is ongoing, or Closed if this record is finished. In either case, you may want to use this button to plan a future contact by setting the date and filling in the summary and notes. I'm making sure this one is in the next week so we can see it later. When you're done with your initial record, click Save. You can delete a contact with this button, or edit with this one to change information you entered. This helps you fill in missing information, correct errors, or update a record. You can use this button to enter prospect notes for a selected patron and save them. You can view those in the tab below, like this. Once you have contacts, you can filter your contact records with the parameters on the side and sort your results with the drop-down lists on the bottom. Try narrowing down the list of contacts to find a record you made. I'm going to filter for contacts that are my calls, for the capital campaign, and have the word Interested in the summary or notes. Click Find and then see your results. Now say I want to sort by contact date and patron ID in descending order. I can do that like this. Now repeat this to make some more records. If you find a group of contacts that you want for later reference, keep the settings and run the contacts report below. You can design, print, or preview, like this, to see a history of contact calls, flags, history of giving, attendance, and more for these patrons. This is useful for many situations, like if you want to save information regarding a specific patron or prospect. You could also print a particular selection of contact history and patron details to give to a solicitor for their reference. If you followed along, you have some contacts planned and some reminders set up. So log out of Versai. When you log back in again, you'll be reminded of your future contacts within the number of days you specified, like this. Click this button to go directly to the contacts area to continue. Now you know how to run your contacts report, search for contacts and use reminders, input new contact records, and plan contacts. For a copy of this information in step-by-step procedure, refer to the built-in user manual. Thanks for watching! Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for when we upload additional videos. And remember, we're here to help. You can reach the Explorer Systems support team by posting on the support forum on the Versai website or by calling the support phone line.